UPS begins U.S. testing of its cute mini electric vans based on four-wheeled e-bikes. Efficient delivery.
It's so cute. Yeah.
I don't mind.
How many packages could you fit in this?
Oh, don't rain on the parade here.
I don't.
The man's having a parade.
Well, I guess for the city, for
Does he collect packages from the actual warehouse or from other UPS vehicles? Does he just stay downtown and then he has a rendezvous with the bigger trucks and he does the smaller deliveries?
Right.
So is it a rendezvous?
It
I
looks
think
very
that makes
nimble.
a lot of sense.
Have you ever had a rendezvous?
What? Like a meetup? Who says rendezvous?
It's a simple question, Mo.
Yes, I've had a few rendezvous.
I like it, Will. I like it.
No covering for the doors. What if there's like a rainstorm?
It's for the small. It's for the small trips. It's for the city.
I don't think that the
Look where he fits. Look where he fits.
Yeah.
He fits where a human fits.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He fits where the pedestrian fits.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think even the bigger ones will have I think it's a sliding door. Like the door slides from the inside. It's so that they can jump in and out because they go in and out of their car or vans frequently. So they save a little time.
Oh, as long as there's a, protective barrier.
I believe there is.